It's not every day you get to see a smartphone completely different from other brands, a phone that is built to be unique, built to stand out. Even though the phone has been teased for quite some time, finally, Nothing announced its most anticipated smartphone of the year. With a unique glyph interface, transparent back, and glowing LED backlights, this phone surely deserves some attention. So, was the hype worth it? Or all these were to promote nothing? Okay, don't get confused, we meant the brand Nothing. So let's dive in to find out more about the Nothing Phone 1. First things first, anyone would be amazed by its design and looks. Well, you might find it similar to iPhone's flat edge design with aluminum edges. These aluminum edges are sure to give a more premium feel while holding. But its transparent back makes it stand out even more, revealing the grooves and outlines of the hardware inside the smartphone. The only downgrade, though, is there's no headphone jack. Nevertheless, the clean-looking camera bump is placed on the top of the left corner. Coming to the front, the phone packs a 6.55-inch OLED AMOLED display that supports up to 120Hz of variable refresh rate. Besides, it even has bezels around the display, making it look more premium. It seems Nothing did not compromise the features in favor of the cost, and both the front and the back of the phone are covered with Gorilla Glass 5, ensuring further protection for your device. The LED backlights alone pack a ton of features. They glow up when charging the device, will notify you if anyone calls you, and you can even set different blinking patterns for each app. Sounds pretty cool, right? Coming to the camera section, the Nothing phone comes with dual rear cameras consisting of a 50-megapixel primary camera with Sony IMX766 sensor and accompanied by another 50-megapixel Samsung JN1 ultra-wide lens. So, you'll be getting crisp, sharp, and vibrant images. The ultra-wide captures immense details no matter what the lighting condition is. For selfies, you get a 16-megapixel camera, which is decent enough considering the price. But the best part is that all three lenses support night mode, so you can capture moments even in low light conditions. Under the hood, the phone houses a Snapdragon 778G Plus chipset, which is a mid-range processor. This seems more like a balanced processor considering its price range. You'll get well enough performance, and heavy gaming won't cause any lag or stuttering. Paired with up to 8 to 12 GB of RAM, the Nothing Phone 1 is sure to deliver a smooth and optimized performance. For the operating system, the phone almost comes with stock Android along with the Nothing OS skin, so using this phone as a daily driver won't be a hassle. As for the battery life, the Nothing Phone 1 comes with a 4500 mAh battery to keep the lights on and pairs it with 33-watt fast charging support. This should be enough to get you running for a whole day. The phone also supports up to 15 watts of wireless charging and can deliver reverse charging for up to 5 watts. So whether you need to charge your Nothing earbuds or another phone, all you have to do is place them on the back of your Nothing phone. And with all these unique features, the Nothing Phone 1 is priced at £399. Getting all these cool features and unique design at such a low price tag surely makes the phone even more appealing. You might get the Google Pixel 6a at a similar price tag, but does it stand against the Nothing Phone 1? To find out, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, as in our next video, we will be comparing the Nothing Phone 1 with Pixel 6a to show you which one is the best mid-range smartphone. What are your thoughts on this new Nothing Phone 1? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.